Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a really pretty matte, like classic smoky eye that you can wear literally anywhere. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to school. I think it will look really pretty for prom and graduation. I know that's, a little far away from now, but it's coming up quickly and you might want to practice your makeup. I don't know. This is great for date night. It's literally like perfect for anything, and you can pair it with pretty much any lip, which is the best. To create this look, I use the Shaaanxo Remix palette from BH Cosmetics, and I used the original side of the palette to create this look. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. First, I am going in to Buttercup, and I am going to be using this with my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just popping this in the crease. Buttercup is a great transition shade, so that is what I'm using it for. Next, I'm going in with Buttercup and Silhouette, and I'm using it on the Morphe M441, and I'm just blending this in the crease, and I am blending it a whole lot. I like to, when I use black shadows, I like to go in very light-handed and just really build up the color to where I want it. So that is what I'm doing here, and I'm just really blending it out. Wherever there's like a little cut, that is where I picked up some more of the Buttercup and Silhouette combo that I was using. Again, just really blending it to how I wanted it, because I didn't want it to be too harsh. That's like the trick with black shadows. You want to really work in little, I guess, like sections, because you don't want it to be too harsh and too much. You just want to like build it up gradually, if that makes sense. So next I'm going in with Clarity, which is like that really nice white like bone shade, and I'm just using this with my, or I'm putting this on with my BH brush. I don't know what happened there, and I'm just packing this on. This is a really patchy light shade. I do eventually go back in with my finger to deepen it up a little bit, you can say. But yeah, so just putting this on the lid. Next, I'm going back in with Buttercup and Silhouette, and I'm going to be using a dome brush from Ulta, and I'm just putting this on the outer V. Again, I'm going to go back in and deepen that. Going back in with Clarity now, and I'm going to be using my finger this time and just really patting that on the lid with, just to like get it brighter, and it looks so much better now that I use my finger. Going back in with Buttercup and Silhouette on my finger. Now I'm just going to be putting this on the outer V and just really blending that all together. Then blending again with my Morphe M330. Gonna go finish the rest of my face off camera. I am back. And for lips today, I'm using the ColourPop and Delilah Ultra Glossy Lip in New Day, and I'm just putting that on my lips. Love this lip color. It's so pretty. I also added a little bit of Silhouette on the lower lash line, just like really close, just to add a little bit of depth there. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. I really want to do more tutorials with this palette. I am thinking of doing something with the purple on this side. It'll be up in April. Hoping to do something, because I have like this look envisioned in my head and I want to create it. But if you got any more tutorials with specific shades from this palette, let me know in the comments down below. Or just any other video you would like to see on my channel, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!